Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a spinach and ricotta lasagna with mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. So let's have a look at how that's done. I like to start with a fine layer of passata on the bottom of the baking dish, and then my first lasagna sheets. I like to take a few spoonfuls of ricotta and spread it out evenly. Then a nice handful of spinach over the top. Give it a sprinkle of pepper and salt and a bit of oregano and a bit more passata. Add the mozzarella cheese between the passata and some more fresh lasagna sheets. Give it a few more spoonfuls of ricotta and spread out evenly, and some more spinach. Add in a few more dollops of passata and a bit more mozzarella. Give it a good covering of the cheddar cheese, because that'll just make it even more flavorful. Add on another layer of the fresh lasagna sheets and some more ricotta. Now that was the last of my spinach, but that's okay, because it's almost the last layer. Give it a few more dollops of the passata. Add in another layer of the fresh lasagna sheets. Finish the top layer with an even spread of ricotta. Cheddar cheese, and finish with the mozzarella. Put it in the oven, bake it for 36 to 39 minutes, 180, and you're gonna have this beautiful dish. And that is now ready to serve up. It'll impress anyone that you got coming over, and it's simple, easy, and delicious. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, tune back in each week for a new recipe.